The issue traces back to February 1st, 2003, when President Museveni asked the residents of Boma Wantembo to give land for establishment of the UPDF Marine Barracks, which they did, receiving a token of appreciation of 550,000 Ugandan shillings per household.
And the president was thankful and gave a casimo to each family. The amount has been indicated there. Now, the next thing was for these people to get titles on their land. What has happened? Strange people came and instead got titles. In the process of seeing the Chief Justice on many other things regarding cases of land, what we say, we shall see him so that he constitutes a special session for Buliisa in particular this land.
However, after the discovery of oil in the Albertine Graben in 2010, tensions escalated as wealthy individuals, allegedly in collaboration with military and court officials, began evicting residents to claim the land.
Many vulnerable people, poor people, for over 10 years have been deprived, denied their lands through threats, intimidation, as you have heard, scare, and often taken to the courts of law.
Key military figures and a businessman, Kaahwa Francis, have been accused of the alleged abuse of their power to intimidate, imprison, and evict the locals.
To be evicted from our own land.
People cannot afford lawyers, and because they cannot afford the lawyers, many of them don't even appear in court physically. Even those who appear, they appear when they have no legal representatives, and definitely chances are very high that you will lose because you cannot argue a case very convincingly.
The residents have sought help from government officials, including State Minister for Lands, Dr. Sam Mayanja, who ordered the arrest of Gisoro Gonjeza Hannington and initiated a search for those involved in these illegal activities.
Yes, sio Gisoro. Kakati Biso msajja no mukwati. The titles which Kaahwa got are all a nullity. Therefore, by law, they are cancelled. And I said that I'm going to follow it by letter. And there are others apart from Kaahwa. All those titles, by law, they stand cancelled. In the course of that eviction, he's threatening violence. Number 3, in the course of that, he has forced himself on their land, forceful entry. Trespass, he has spoiled their property. That's malicious damage. So all these charges are available. So they let him be arrested.
Local leaders, including Chakumanyi Dewo and District Vice Chairman gov't Tibasanga, have called for thorough investigations and protections of the residents' rights.
That in handling this matter, we actually scrutinize each piece of each transaction by transaction.
Senior Presidential Advisor Fiona Barungi has reassured the community that the matter will be reported to the President.
The tears that I have seen old women and men cry, you are arrested. Thank you.
The situation remains tense, with ongoing investigations and a call for justice against the accused parties.